Good Saturday morning. Oh my God, the bugs are out. I can't do it. I'm back in my best friend Rich's house. There is the tractor we bought. We're finna work on a new car, so I figure I'll pull out my camera. Oh, I should have grabbed my gimbal thingy to hold the phone. But I'm gonna see what car we're gonna work on today. I think it's the Mustang. Is it the Mustang? Happy Saturday, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Baby! What are we doing today?
This is a 42 Dodge World War II command car, radio model, which was only 800 made.
Wow.
And less than a dozen left in the world.
Serious?
Yeah.
I didn't know that part.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So this piece was all cut out and missing. And I had a wood plank here, so this is a reproduction door. And I did all this by hand.
Wow.
And there it is.
You did this? That's amazing, babe. Wow.
So we got the mat all in and everything else. Got the tail lights in.
They work?
Oh, yeah, they'll work.
Okay, right. We just built the
Yeah.
shell for it.
See how I did that?
Yeah.
Okay, now there's two and around. Okay.
Okay.
Now, right there, here's a key critical thing. This might be too tight.
Yeah.
See there?
You like that?
That's good. Right where it is.
Okay.
Okay. See,
So we just made a hole.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Now here's the fun part. I don't have many of these, so it's kind of key critical that you don't lose this.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna
Punch it through.
this is the other part. Okay. So what happens?
All right, Rich, come and check the first one for me.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, I
You got
think I
it?
could have came down a little bit more.
You could, but down.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
You
give
just
and you
tighten
give it
up.
a good. Give it a good.
I did, but double check it. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not that sure.
There. Yep. No, that's good. That's good. You did it.
Thank you.
Step and repeat. Step and repeat.
Okay. All right, first one done. I think it could be a little bit more symmetric, but I'll take it. Okay, I need that whole set, Rick, please. Where'd
Okay.
you get it from?
This
Oh,
was
wow,
like,
wow,
this was
wow.
like a hobby thing. It came with this.
A
I think
hobby
Hobby
set.
Lobby's got them.
The baby ones?
Yeah,
Guinea pig.
yeah, because they got this and like the little
So Rich took the X-Acto knife and cut out the extra so it won't. We've been talking about the small tools for hobbies and where I can find them. Is that a cutter?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Rich, I need that.
It's a little dull, but I just want to get the white stuff out of it.
Okay. Now that I'm on the fourth one, I want to share with you that I feel like the shortcut to this is that once I put this in, right, I get it in, I keep the fat part of this tool in as much to keep the hole open because it's hard to latch it together if the hole is not wide enough. Like it'll slip and fall on the ground. So I just screw this about 1 minute to make sure the hole is holding, if that makes sense. I think once he sees it, yeah, I agree. All right, guys, so here is the shortcut that I've mastered, right? So I've been turning this for 1 full minute on the fat part of this rim to make my hole wide enough. And then as I decide to take it out, and I'm consistently screwing so that my hole stays open, and as it's coming out and it's getting closer to the end here, I take my fastener, the small piece, and I put it on the tip of here, and I bring her out right to the end, right? So she's right here, I put it on the tip, and then when I bring it in, I know exactly where it goes. And then I take the longer piece and I poke it through the hole, and it meets right inside. At first I was trying to line it up and I couldn't see, and then I'm not as strong, but then I try to push it together. But I trust that it's lined up because it's right where I left it. And then I take these and I close it. And I crimp them. And then I do it slowly because I did it fast before and I smashed it and it was crooked. So that's how I do it. And then Rich is a little bit stronger than me, and then he comes in and he's gonna tighten it. But that's the gist of it. What do you think? Okay, I put the last one in. I feel like this is my best one. And here it is. So now Rich is gonna cut the excess. It looks good. It went in really good. Yeah. So that's how you do it.